Now, as you can see, we're gonna just build up these different prices and ranges so you can charge shipping fees based on these ranges. Under settings, so under shipping and delivery, what we can do is click on manage rates. We are going to see where it says domestic. We are going to go ahead and edit this zone. Okay. And what we want to do all right, so what I want you guys to do is if you type in United States, I want you to go ahead and click this down arrow. Okay, and I want you to scroll through this because I want you to remove Micronesia, Guam. I want you to remove Marshall Islands. We are going to remove Northern Mariana Islands, Palau, Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands, Armed Forces, Europe, America, Pacific, I think, and Hawaii. Okay, this is going to stop you guys from having issues when it comes to your shipping rates being off, because these places, a lot of times, you're going to get hit with weird custom fees. I just highly suggest not going after these. And in fact, the last one, you can kind of choose. I personally don't ship to Alaska, but those are going to be, and American Samoa. So those are going to be the ones that you guys want to remove, just to keep your store kind of safe, on the safe side. All right. And kind of the same thing when you're advertising. So make sure when running ads, if you do just select overall United States, you can always exclude these types of things. So it might be smart for you to even take notes in a notepad and just write down these places. So when you are setting up ads, you are excluding these places from your advertising, because that is just going to save you guys some issues in the long run. All right. And then, all right, you guys. So what I want you to do is click on add rate. And then this is going to be our free plus shipping rate. Okay. So what you want to do is add conditions. We're going to do it based on weight. All right. Minimum order weight is going to be 0 to 0 is free shipping. And that way you can offer free shipping on certain items. Let's go ahead and add another rate. This is going to be 0 to 0.24. And we're going to charge $2.95 for this item. And that way, anything that you put in this weight range, so like 0.01 up to 0.24, then Shopify will automatically recognize that item as a $2.95 shipping item. So that's how you're going to be able to control these charges based on the weight. All right, so we're going to add one more rate. Let's go ahead and go 0.25 to 0.49. And we're going to do that for $4.95. Okay. All right, let's add one more. In this one, we're going to be 0.50 to 0.99. And we're going to charge $9.95 for that. Now, as you can see, we're going to just build up these different prices and ranges so you can charge shipping fees based on these ranges. Now, let's say someone came into your store to buy a dog toy and you wanted that dog toy to have a $9.95 price point on the shipping. What's going to happen is when we show you how to set up these products in the next video, you are going to go ahead and put a weight inside of that product on the back end. So you could even put in 0.6 in that product and it will automatically charge based on that product. Or if you wanted to have that item have a $4.95 shipping, you could put 0.25 on that product's weight. And that way, when that item gets added to the cart, it's going to automatically be attached to a $4.95 delivery price point. So this really is one of the best ways to charge different shipping based on the item, but also have the availability to have a free shipping charge rate as well. So if we scroll down here, you could essentially do the same thing for the rest of the world. Okay, so you can also base the rest of the world on these same weights. So you would go through and set that up for each and every individual one of these. The only difference is you probably want to start at a minimum of $9.95, upwards of $25 for shipping. So just remember that when you do ship an item overseas or, outside of the United States, if you're in the US and you're shipping to Europe, it's going to cost more money for you to do that. So you just want to make sure to set your rates higher on your international shipping. All right, you guys, now your shipping set up, so we can move on to the next section. What I want you to do is we are going to go ahead and close that out and come back into the back end of Shopify. Now under apps, if you want to just click on customize store, that should bring you to the Shopify App Store. Okay, and now what I want you to do is search for Viva Reviews. Okay, and this right here, you guys, is the Viva Reviews app. Okay, so if you want to look through this, again, what you want to do is go ahead and add this app. There's a free plan for you guys. This is an app by Sell the Trend, so we are able to help you guys essentially pull in reviews for these products directly into your storefront. So when you pull in a product from the Sell the Trend app into your storefront, we'll also be able to help you add reviews directly onto that product. And it's going to automatically make it look as though there has been, hundreds of people shopping on your storefront. And this adds instant trust to your store.
Thanks for watching. Check out the complete Dropshipping 360 course on Sell the Trend. The link is in the description.